Fixing Spotify. No more song cuts.
Hello everyone. Have you ever encountered an annoying issue where Spotify plays only a few seconds of songs before skipping to the next? Today, we're going to discuss several methods to resolve this issue. Let's make your Spotify experience smooth and uninterrupted again.
Is your internet connection stable?
Sometimes, the problem lies not with Spotify, but with the quality of your internet connection. Spotify needs a stable connection to stream songs properly. If your internet connection is unstable or slow, Spotify might not be able to buffer songs fast enough, resulting in songs only playing for a few seconds. Try to switch to a more stable network if available. If you're using mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi. If the problem persists, try resetting your router.
Do you need to update or reinstall Spotify?
If your internet connection is not the issue, it could be that your Spotify app is outdated or has a glitch. Check if there's an update available for Spotify. If there is, install it and see if the problem is resolved. If updating doesn't help, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Spotify. This can often fix problems by resetting the app to its default state.
Are Spotify's streaming settings the culprit?
Spotify has a feature called gapless playback, which could potentially cause problems. Gapless playback ensures that there's no silence between songs. However, it could cause songs to cut off early if it's not working properly. Go to Spotify settings, find playback, and toggle off gapless playback. This could help if the issue is related to this feature.
Is it an account-related problem?
If none of the above solutions work, the problem might be tied to your Spotify account. Try logging out of your account and logging back in. If this doesn't resolve the problem, you may need to contact Spotify's customer support. They might be able to help if the issue is account-related. We hope these methods help you fix the issue of Spotify only playing a few seconds of songs. Remember, the key to resolving these kinds of problems is to be patient and systematic. Try each solution one by one until you find the one that works. Happy listening!